Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, if you have accidentally modified keyboard settings or installed a third-party keyboard that you no longer want to use, and then restoring the default keyboard settings can help revert to the original configuration. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Please Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, please scroll down. And you can choose General Management option. Well, after that, select Keyboard List and Default. And then you can turn off additional keyboard on your device like this. Okay, so now the default keyboard on your device is successfully restored. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore the default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.